Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and activate your HiTeach 5. First, go to browser and enter the URL hotbook.com and it will take you straight to our website. And then click menu, go to product support, download, and software download. And find HiTeach 5 and click download. After downloading, start the program and install it. After installing, it will create a shortcut on desktop. Click on it and a login interface will pop out. But first close it as we need to enter HiTeach serial number first. Enter your HiTeach serial number here in license and click OK. After activating your HiTeach, click Login. If you already have a T-Model account, enter your information here to log in. Or you could click Google to register one right away. And you can start using HiTeach 5.